Hey guys, here is a Casablanca Panama ceiling fan on a remote control. Um, this is like the fans and elevators of Mr. Polchain, how he did this with his original to make it have a slower low speed because the 2-speed originals are too fast. So I figured out the remote speeds, they're a little slower than the Polchain speeds. Maybe it's like 5.5, maybe it's like almost going up to a 6, maybe a 5.5 for low speed on the pole chain. So yeah, here's low. Oops, forgot something. Low on the pole chain, low on the row. Mr. Pole Chain does this like this. It's gonna be at a static low, like Casablanca's IntelliTouch system. Or Slumber Quiet has a static low. I don't normally find Slumber Quiet fans anymore because Slumber Quiet, has been kept failing a lot. So that's why Casablanca had to make their IntelliTouch system, or Slumber 5 or made their original Slumber Quiet fans have Slumber 5 or Slumber 3. So a nice static low, which is how I might want it. If I hang this on the display, I would have it look like a static low. So here's medium. Low pulching. Come on, medium. How come it's not making a big difference? That's because of the capacitors. Oh, there we go. Which, the low speed on the remote and low on the pole chain, which kind of reminds you of Slumber Quiet. Maybe if I had a 4-speed control, maybe I would pair on a 4-speed control. So here's high, low pole chain. Sorry, this furnace kicks on a lot because of the heat. Because it's wintertime. In wintertime we need heat. It's going to be pretty loud. And that's about high. Low pole chain. Low, medium pole chain. Now, if the whole chain was on high, the speeds are a little slower. This sort of kind of looks like speed 1 on a Comfort Touch, or speed 1 on an IntelliTouch. Speed 1 on it. That's about low. So the Cantabay Hawkins is basically a capacitor issue, which is basically, I might need to pair it up with this remote right here. That's about medium. Here's low, I mean. Medium. I had to get close to the fan. Medium. Medium speed. Here's high. Medium pole chain. stop it. Here is high, low pull chain, low remote. I mean, high pull chain, low remote. That's about low remote. Here, low high pull chain. Medium remote, high pull chain. Remote speeds on the pull chain and high pull chain are really a little slower than the factory speeds. Here's medium pull chain, medium remote, and high pull chain, high remote. Better be careful so this thing won't fly off.
Turning the oven back on.
Yeah. Here. Jingle bells, jingle bells. That's my oven right there. It was sounding like jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. A wobbly ceiling fan with jingle bells on the string. Hey! And it off. It's jingle hell, jingle hell. Now here's reverse. Reverse speeds. Low. Low pull chain, low remote's where I like it. I'm gonna put a small fan right there. Small fan. Small. Small fan right there. Like that area. Small if I had a smaller fan. My Hampton Bay San Marino, that's too ugly. No. Sorry about that. I gotta go. I gotta just take my medicine. Yeah. I wonder if they stopped. Yes! Why? Yes, Mom. Here we go. I'm back on the fan. So here's low. Very nice low speed. Maybe I'll do the other one on remote, and I'll do turn the light off for that, put the light on, so it can be a nice aesthetic low. I cannot put CFLs on there. Medium. Oh, high. That's high. Medium. I'm gonna get close to the fan so it can make a difference. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long. So I'm gonna bleed somebody to lean on. You just call on brother. Here's high. Low remote. I'm able to push. It takes a while to get up to speed. Low, medium, pull T. Medium. Here's high. Well, normally it's not good for the capacitors to have the fan on medium or low when using a wall control or a remote control, but just for the sakes, it makes for this fan, it makes a classy low speed. And let's do off, low, high remote, low remote, high pull chain. Now I'll do a Spirit of Panama with Minka Air Super Blades. They make the same whole pattern as the standard Casablanca blades. But it is balanced with the Super arms. I wonder if it'll be balanced. Casablanca arms, Super blades. Which makes a good balancing thing. What if I tested a Fanimation Enigma on my testing rig? Will that one-bladed fan wobble on my test rig? I wonder if the metal blade one will wobble. Metal Pete may know because I know he had an Enigma metal blade with black. Series high. I felt it made a twist. And one wants to sing a fall. And back to off. Send it back to forward. Put the chain back on low. And put the remote back on low. If I hang this on the display, I have to get more remote receivers. And I'll set the fan to low. Or maybe put them on 4-speed controls. Then I'll set the fan to low and make a nice aesthetic glow. So yeah, that is it. That is the Casablanca, Panama on a remote control. Thanks. I'll turn the lights off and see if it'll look better without the big lights on. Like how I did the Christmas editions. Now this is not a Christmas edition. It's just a remote control edition, but giving it at a static low speed. Does this look better? It does to me. I'll turn my lights back on. Yes. So, thanks for watching.